Mini pancakes. When I say mini pancakes, you must be wondering what the mini pancakes are going to be. This is mini savory pancakes. So you can have it like this if you want. So what did I do? I made the batter separately, a filling separately, and mixed both together and made the pancake. We didn't make the pancake and then put the filling. It is all mixed together and made. So what are we going to do now? Come, we will join and make these pancakes to see how it looks like. Come, will you join with me and we will prepare this. To make these mini pancakes, I need a savory filling. So I am going to do the savory filling first and then we will do the pancake mixture also. So we will see how we are going to do this now. Before I do the pancake, I want to do the filling. So we will do the filling first. So once we get the oil warmed up, when the oil is heated, I have got some ingredients here. Grated carrot, yellow pepper, red pepper, and gram, green chilies, garlic, onions. All that I am going to slightly temper. Slightly I am going to temper all this. So we will see that slight tempering how it comes. While we temper, we need a little salt. Then I need a little pepper. Two more things I have to use. So we will use those two things also. That is a bit of turmeric and a little chili powder. Not a lot, just a little. I off this, take the filling, put into a bowl. That's all we need for the first thing. Now I have kept this aside. I have to make the pancake mixture. We'll leave this aside. Pancake mixture I am going to do. To make the pancake mixture, what I am going to do is, excuse me, flour. I have already sifted the flour. I don't want to do a big quantity, I just want to make a smaller quantity and show you mini pancakes only I am going to do. I hope you will enjoy these mini pancakes, right? Normally you do with 150 grams of flour, but I am just doing only a little. Since I am doing a smaller quantity, I wanted to see whether it is one egg is necessary or not. Yes, I can put the whole egg. I need a little milk. Either we use milk or we may add stock, vegetable stock or meat stock, whatever stock you want, you can use it to have this mixture ready. I took a cup of milk, fresh milk I took. So I am using the fresh milk here and mixing it, and balance we will use water. If I am using vegetable stock or meat stock, you can use only the meat stock, and if it is not enough, you can add water. So now we have to mix it nicely. Like while I am mixing, I am putting a teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of bicarbonate of soda. These two also I have to use. This pancake mixture is being done in a different way, so you can see how it comes like. butter. I'll warm this butter. I'm going to use this a little. I have the mini pancake mold. Now what I am going to do is, I did the mixture first. I have put all the ingredients into the flour, milk, egg, butter, melted butter, salt, all that I have put. Now I am going to put this, the filling. The filling that I have done here, you can always see this. I didn't use any fish meat or anything. Non-veg I didn't use. I'm using only vegetables. Actually, now when I am using this cheese, you can think, if you want you can have a sausage. If you want you can have a prawn, small prawn you can have, or a sausage. That's left to you. Whatever you want, you can use it here. Just once we have to turn it. I am of course a bit worried about turning this. I don't like to use hot things. Right, it's lovely. I don't want that to get burnt too much. So we will cook this on the other side. Mainly the back side only you have to cook more. My pancakes are ready. And you see, quick and easy way of making the pancakes. Mini pancakes. You can serve these pancakes with salad. You can have it like this. You can see the pancakes are really nice. When you look at it itself, it's nice. And when you turn it, see how it looks. The pancake. Okay? These pancakes that we have done, I told you, small mini pancakes we did. You can have it on this mold, or without the mold you can have it spoon in on a normal frying pan or something, and then you can have it like small mini pancakes. Otherwise you can have it big also. One big pancake also you can make it, and then you can cut it into 2 or 3 or 4, and then you can serve it also. It's very nice, easy to prepare also. The filling is ready and the pancake mixture is ready. Whenever you want, warm, quickly you can make and eat hot like. And you can serve it if you want with sauce or whatever you like. Without sauce also it will be nice, because I have already put cheese also in it, so it will be nice. But if you want, you can have a sausage as I told you, or a prawn or a piece of chicken or whatever you like on top of it, and prepare it and turn the other side so that it gets roasted also. We can prepare like this and see how it comes, because these are things that we can do quick and easy way. So you can try it out. I want you to try out and see how it comes. because next episode I'll come back with another nice dish. Till then, I am going to say bye from me now, and I will see you soon next week.